The competence and bravery of our pilots surprised much larger and better equipped Indian forces, who were under the illusion of having an unmatched air defense system and latest aircrafts. Our Shaheens breached and attacked it like a knife through butter. Ladies and gentlemen, the whole world has acknowledged the precision and accuracy of our pilots in hitting the desired and selected targets with absolute ease and returning safely to their bases after completing their mission. One must also not forget the important role played by the chairman, Pakistan People's Party, Balawl Zardari. His single-headedly faced international media and presented Pakistan's narrative with clarity and confidence. His simple and firm explanation of Pakistan's position in front of the entire world not only helped clarify the facts of the matter, but also countered the baseless propaganda spread by the butcher of Gujarat and Kashmir and his accomplices.